Hi everybody. So I've had a few people ask how to get to the part of No Reading where you can kind of just go around and look on your own. So I have it pulled up over here. So let me pop it over. Okay. So if you go to home, it's only going to bring up your information that you have there, right? It's the lessons that I've assigned for the class to come up, right? So that's what you have. So if you go to learn, then you can go through and you can click on any one of these different things to do. So let's say I want to look at contractions. So I'm going to click on contractions and then I'm just going to do that. And I'm going to view the lesson real quick, talk about contractions, and then I'm going to go to the practice and practice that contractions. So remember, once you're done with that little section, then you're going to get those little round green check marks, and then that's going to be what you can get No Reading point, or not No Reading, Live School points for. So pretty easy, right? So again, if you go back to that, you're going to go to learn. And once you go into learn, then you're going to go, you can go in and look through all of these different things. There's quite a few things in there that you can practice on your own, right? So if you have any questions, let me know. You can also go through, and if you're looking at ACT, SAT, things like that, you can practice those. So like if you need to take the ACT, that would be great for you to practice some of those. You can also do grade levels. So if you want to go through and if you are looking and you're like, yeah, some of this stuff is a little bit hard for me, you can even go into 4 and 6. And these are a little bit easier for you to do, right? So we did the capitalization one down there. So if you want to go through and try those and practice, totally fine. And then you can work your way up to the 7, 9, right? So you can group by level if you want to. But like I said, if anybody's practicing or getting ready to, planning to take the ACT at some point, this might be something really good for you to go in and do these different lessons. All right. All right. If you have any questions, let me know.